During block assembly and panel joining in shipbuilding, back gouging is a critical step to ensure high-quality welds. However, traditional manual carbon arc gouging has long presented challenges, including excessive smoke, intense arc glare, and high noise levels. This creates a harsh working environment that affects worker health, while also resulting in inconsistent quality, low efficiency, and a heavy reliance on skilled labor. Hypertherm's plasma systems, with consumables and processes specifically developed for gouging, deliver a breakthrough solution for shipbuilding back gouging. These solutions enable shipyards to achieve cleaner production with reduced smoke, lower arc glare, and less noise, while offering automated and semi-automated gouging solutions, as well as versatile handheld plasma gouging and cutting systems. On the panel assembly line, the automated gantry plasma gouging system completes the operation in a single pass at speeds of up to 1,000 mm per minute, delivering precise and consistent groove width and depth. The resulting surface is smooth, reducing grinding workload by 75% and completely replacing carbon arc gouging. In the block assembly workshop, the semi-automatic plasma gouging solution delivers flexibility and efficiency. Field tests show an 80% reduction in dust and a 10% reduction in noise compared to carbon arc gouging. The system is easy to operate, does not require skilled labor, and significantly reduces physical strain on workers. For confined spaces such as cabins and superstructures, the lightweight and versatile Hypertherm handheld plasma gouging system combines cutting and gouging in a single unit, easily meeting a wide range of finishing and back gouging requirements. This represents not only an equipment upgrade, but also a strong commitment to green shipbuilding and smart manufacturing. Choose Hypertherm plasma gouging to help your shipyard move beyond smoke and intense glare, toward a future defined by efficiency, cleanliness, and precision.